the question is 6 power x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2x plus 1, and we are asked to find the value of x. So let us solve this problem, friends. The expression is 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. So if we carefully observe this expression, in the left hand side we have bases 6 and 9, and the right hand side 2 is the base. So we can write this expression in terms of 3 and 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 will be 9, that is 3 square, and 2 into 1. We have to simplify this equation. This equation, if we can able to simplify in 3 and 2 terms, then it will be easily solved. And in the right hand side we have 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. This 2 to the power of 2x plus 1, we know one rule, that is a to the power of m plus a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 2x into 2 to the power of 1. So again we know one more equation, one more rule, that is a to the power of m into n, that is equals to a to the power of n whole to the power of n. So this can be written as 2 square to the power of x into 2 to the power of 1. So that will be 2 square is 4 to the power of x into 2 power 1 is 2. So this value we can replace in the right hand side, this one. So the expression becomes 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equals to 4 to the power of x into 2. This 4 to the power of x is multiplying in the right hand side. If we bring this 4 to the power of x to the left hand side, it will divide. So 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x whole divided by 4 to the power of x is equals to 2. Okay, and let us separate these terms. 6 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x is equals to 2. So I just separated this term. If we take the LCM, we can get the same thing, that is 4 to the power of x, and 4 to the power of x will be multiplied with 4 to the power of x one time. So 1 into 6 to the power of x, 6 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is multiplied by one time to get 4 to the power of x, and that 1 is multiplied with 9 to the power of x, you will get this 9 to the power of x. So this can be rewritten in this format. We know a rule, that is a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, that is when numerator and denominator is there have the same power, then we can simply divide numerator and denominator and put the common power for both of them, like this. So we are applying this rule here. So 6 by 4 to the power of x, this is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m. So bases, the powers are same, we are putting the power for common for both the numerator and denominator. In the same case here it is also 9 by 4 to the power of x is equals to 2. We can cancel this one, 2 3s are 2 2s are, becomes 3 by 2 whole to the power of x plus this 9 we can write as 3 square divided by 4 you can write is at 2 square whole to the power of x is equals to 2. Why I have written this 3 square and 2 square is, as I said in the beginning, if we can able to write this expression in 3 and 2's, then it will be easy for us to solve the problem. So 3 by 2 whole to the power of x, 3 by 2, same here, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m will be a by b to the power of m. So a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m will be a by b to the power of m whole power x is equals to 0. We know one more equation, one more rule, that a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n whole to the power of m. So applying this rule here, that is 3 by 2 whole to the power of f whole to the power of x will be as it is, and 3 by 2, and just interchanging this one, x 3 by 2 to the power of x whole to the power of 2, that is equals to 2. So to solve this expression, I am giving this expression as equation number 1. To solve equation number 1, equation 1, we assume 3 by 2 to the power of x is equals to p. Then the equation becomes, in the place of 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power of x, we have to substitute p. Then this value will become p plus, this will be p, and whole square is that is p square is equals to 2. This is, we can further simplify this one, p square plus p, bring 2 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of p, and the roots of p will be as minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So I'll just briefly explain you the quadratic equation. If a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, so the roots of x will be minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This equation is in terms of p here. I'll just write it down once again. P square plus p minus 2 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to minus 2. A equal to 1, b is equals to 1, this one is equals p, b is 1, and c is equals to minus 2. So roots of p will be p is equals to minus b is minus 1 plus or minus under root of determinant, that is b square, that is 1 square, minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 2, whole divided by 2 into 1. So p is equals to minus 1 plus or minus, we have to solve this one. 1 square is 1 minus 1 square, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and minus 8 into minus 1 is plus 8 divided by 2. That will be is equals to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 8 is 9 divided by 2, and that further can be simplified like this: minus 1 plus or minus root 9 is 3 divided by 2. So we will get two values of p. P is equals to minus 1 plus 3 by 2, or p is equals to minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So p is equals to minus 1 plus 3 is 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, then p value will be 1. Similarly, p is equals to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 2, that is equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are, this becomes minus 2, then p is equals to minus 2. We have assumed p value as we know. P is equals to 3 by 2 to the power of x. So substitute p value, then we will get two cases, case 1 and case 2. For both the values of p, we have to solve it for two values, that is case 1 and case 2. For case 1, when p is equals to 1, this p value is 3 by 2 to the power of x is equals to 1. So we have to find the value of x. So we can calculate this x value by simply logging on both sides, or simply manipulating this equation. We will get the value of x. Similarly, for p is equals to minus 2, we know the value of p, that is 3 by 2 to the power of x is equals to minus 2. So I just said that we can do it in two ways, by manipulation and also by using the logarithm we can find the value of x. Firstly, I'll show you how to manipulate it. That is 3 by 2 to the power of x is equals to, I am writing this 1 as 3 by 2 whole to the power of 0. Since any positive number to the power of 0 will be always is equals to 1. So 3 by 2 is 1.5 is a positive number. So this positive number to the power of 0 is always 1. So when the bases are equal, then parts will be equated. Then we will get the value of x. Similarly, here I will use the logarithms. If we simply logging on this equation both sides, that is natural logarithm of 3 by 2 to the power of x is equals to natural logarithm of minus 2. Since the logarithm of minus 2 does not exist, this value is rejected. So our final answer is x is equals to 0. We can verify this by simply substituting this x value in the original equation. Let us find out the equation. Here I am doing it. 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. Okay. I am putting the value of x is equals to 0 in this equation. Then left hand side will be 6 to the power of 0 plus 9 to the power of 0, that will be 1. 6 to the power of 0 is 1 plus 9 to the power of 0 is 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So we check it for right hand side RHS, that is 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. If we substitute x is equals to 0, then expression becomes 2 to the power of 0 plus 1, that is equals to 2 to the power of 1, that is equals to 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, the value is 2. So our answer x is equals to 0 is correct. Thanks for viewing this video. If you like this, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon. Thank you.